In this example I will show you how to create an infinite line. This time, we will double-click the command to keep it active. Double-click the infinite line icon. Now, click to position the line. As you see, infinite line is created. Okay then. Now, let's create a vertical infinite line. From the Sketch Tools toolbar, activate the vertical line option. Click to position the line. Now you see, vertical infinite line is created. Okay then. Now, activate the line through 2 points option. Click to position the start and end points. As you see, infinite line is created by using 2 points. Okay then. To end the activated command, click the infinite line icon one more time.